Okay, class, so I'm going to teach you how to search the Web of Science database today, which is the most important database you can use for this class's purposes, and I would argue as a scientist. So why would you need Web of Science? Well, let's say one of the video links is broken in one of the lectures, which is in fact the case. Rather than emailing me and saying, hey, can you send me the PDF, you could go get it yourself. That's one thing. Any other article you might want for your good and bad articles, this is also how you're going to want to access them and be able to read. So go to mynortheastern.edu as you see here, log in, and then we're going to go to services and links. From there, search Web of Science, and you will see articles and research databases. You could get to this from the library website as well. And then we're going to go to W for Web of Science, and then Web of Science. Okay. You might have to sign in your first time. And then within there, you could also sign in and you can have extra privileges. But don't do that unless you need to. Now, of course, I keep this bookmarked, Web of Science, so I go directly to this from now on because it's so in my case, once I've bookmarked it, I would just click Web of Science, and that brings me to the same place. Okay. Now, let's say you want a paper by Brian Chait on analytical chemistry. So then we'd say author. Okay. Add another form. Let's say mass spectrometry in the topic, and then we could search. And we're going to see all 198 of Brian Chait's mass spectrometry. Now here articles, and here's the important thing. If you want to see what he's done that's most influential, time cited. Here we go. Matrix-assisted laser desorption. So we already know that he's made an impact in biopolymers. He's done some neat characterization of things and so on. And if we want to get this in analytical chemistry text, just go to check full text, click that. And it's available from the American Chemical Society. Again, sometimes it helps to sign in at this point, but I haven't needed to, so I don't. And from the American Chemical Society site, we can get the PDF. And now from here, we basically own this PDF. And if you'd like, you just simply download it from here. Okay. So that's the process for getting a hold of your own articles.